Hey, Marcus here, and Jamie,
Hi, everybody.
and Paolo from,
Cantele Winery.
and we are in southern Italy, in Puglia, which is where my family's from, just up the road, about an hour from here. But we are in the heel of the boot right now, and Jamie and I just got an amazing tour. Paolo runs his family winery, founded in 1979. It's just amazing here. I want to bring you here to visit Paolo. We do our VIP winery vacations. When we come to the south of Italy, Paolo is on the list. Quick minute or so about the winery, about Cantanelle. We'll teach you Italian. You don't need to know Italian. And we'll teach you how to drink wine too, right?
Yeah, of course.
They don't need to know how to drink. We'll teach you.
No, so come with us to visit us. You can stay in this wonderful place. I'm not sure I will cook for you, but for sure I will pour wine for you.
I'll help cook. If you come with us, I will help cook. This kitchen is beautiful here. We just had an amazing lunch. It's not even called a kitchen, it's called a food lab.
Yeah.
Food lab, but it's a kitchen. It's an amazing kitchen. Over there's the table. This is like an amazing winery, folks. They put Chardonnay on the map in southern Italy. When I mean put it on the map, you have to come by to the restaurant and taste their Chardonnay. It's usually available. It's our house pour Chardonnay. They make 2 Chardonnays. They make an amazing rosé. They were also the pioneers in the blend of Primitivo and Negro Amaro.
Yeah.
2 native grapes here that they blend. They were the ones to first start this, and we've had this. We have it. Yes. How do you pronounce the name of that wine?
Amativo cause Negro Amaro Primitivo grapes.
Beautiful. Come and try most of their wines at the restaurant. We always have their wines in stock and ready to go. So, Paolo, this was an amazing day, and I hope you guys can come visit us.
Definitely.
Come with me to visit Paolo here in the heel of the boot of Italy. An amazing region. We are basically 15 minutes from that ocean and 15 minutes from that ocean, right?
Correct.
Yeah, so you're in like the skinniest part of Italy. Olive trees, 10 million olive trees? 60 million olive trees.
60 million.
60 million olive
region.
trees,
Yeah.
like 4 million people. There's olive trees everywhere. How old do some of those olive trees get?
Oh, we have a very, very old centenarian olive tree. It's wonderful.
Yeah, it's amazing, folks. So come visit us down here. Come with Jamie and I, VIPWineryVacations.com.